This is my Facebook page and this is YouTube channel. I want to this YouTube channel link with this Facebook page. Okay, let's do it. How to do? Okay, let's type on Facebook search engine YouTube apps. Let's search it. Okay, it may have some times to searching. This is the right tab, right apps. Okay, click here to go in there. Okay, click on use app. Now select my page, which page link with this YouTube channel. Okay, let's Raju's animation shop. I will cut shop next time. Okay, it's may some time to redirecting, automatically redirecting. It's redirecting already. It may some times need to okay, it's working. Click on YouTube tab, then it is working. It's already installed on my Facebook page. Okay, then go to application setting, and here we need to linking. Going to copy the YouTube channel just ID. Okay, and paste in here, channel ID, playlist ID, which you can add here. If you want to featured video, add here to choose your video on your YouTube channel, and copy this video's ID like this way. Just ID, not full link. Okay, you can add here, and here is you can add a button which is show you to subscribe or your logo. Okay, then save settings. Okay, it's working. I think it's working and working. Yes, wow, it's so far working. Okay, go to file home page, then click on YouTube and see this is linked, already linking. Okay, if I use as a page visitor, then when a page visitor come into my pages and click on YouTube button, then he or she look this channel here, full YouTube channel is here. Okay, one things, click on settings, then edit page, then a YouTube tab, just drag and up and save automatically. And now we can go to pages, home page. Here is YouTube. YouTube tab is up. Home button is here default. Okay, one more things. Here, how can here we watch button add? Go to edit button, learn more about your business, watch videos. Next, website link, copy YouTube channel link and paste here and save, finish. And now test button. Yeah, it's working. So guys, this is please like, comments and share my videos and inspiring me to make informative new videos. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.